Hello everyone, today I'm here in front of you all to give a slight information on the uses and daily uses of tobacco and smoking. Henceforth, there are various types of tobacco and smoking things available in and around our community. They are indicated by various names such as biri, shikar, talab, flag, gold flag, rajnikanda, etc. Tobacco smoking can also lead us to lung cancer, chronic bronchitis, and emphysema. It increases the risk of heart disease, engage us with acidity and poor health. It can lead to stroke, heart attack. Smoking has also been linked to other cancer like leukemia and pneumonia. Tobacco smoking increases the risk of cancer, especially like mouth cancer. So we must know that starting from guber to shikar, shikar to so on, and to many other things leads to difficulties in our lives, and also leads to a path where neither God nor money can save a person's life. So let us be aware of those undigested and unhealthy things which is really harmful to us and our body, as well as leads us to drugs and heroines, which leads us to gain hatred from people and also upon our family. Let us now take a step to save ourselves and also people around us. This is me, Chuamsi Gimung Wangu from KBCM Youth. Thank you so much.